In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices and record payments in Zoho Books. Whether you're a business owner or a financial manager, mastering the invoicing process in Zoho Books can make your accounting tasks more efficient and streamlined. Let's dive in and get started with creating an invoice. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account. Look to the left sidebar and navigate to the section labeled Sales. Once you find it, click on Invoices. This will take you to a page where you can view all your existing invoices. Now, to create a new invoice, go to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see a button marked Plus New. Go ahead and click it. This is where the real magic begins. The next step is to select a customer from the drop-down list. If your customer has been previously entered into your system, their details will be populated for you. Next, fill in the invoice specifics. You'll need to enter the invoice number, the invoice date, the due date, and any terms you're setting for this transaction. These details are crucial for both your records and the customer's reference. After you've entered these details, it's time to add the items or services being billed. In the itemized table, you can select the products or services from your existing inventory. You'll need to specify the quantity for each item. One of the conveniences of Zoho Books is that it automatically calculates the rate and tax for you, saving you the headache of doing manual calculations. Don't forget to add any necessary discounts, special notes, or shipping charges that apply to this particular invoice. Now, if you're using online payment gateways, configure your payment options. This step will allow your customers to pay online effortlessly, an increasingly preferred option. Once you're satisfied with all the entered information, it's time to decide how to proceed with the invoice. You can either save it as a draft to review later, or if everything looks good, click Save and Send to dispatch it directly to your customer's inbox. Now, let's talk about recording payments, specifically for online transactions. Again, go to Sales followed by Invoices, and open the invoice you wish to record a payment for. At the top, you'll see a drop-down labeled Record Payment. Click on it and then select Charge Customer. You'll need to enter the amount to be charged and choose your desired payment gateway. After doing so, you'll be prompted to enter the required card details. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Proceed to process the payment. That's it. Your payment is now recorded, and you've successfully managed your invoice and payment through Zoho Books. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure your business's invoicing and payment recording are both up-to-date and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your Zoho Books experience even smoother.